Hello and welcome back with another informative video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the concept of power factor. So let's talk about it without wasting much time, guys. So power factor is a measure of how effectively the electrical power is being used by the system, and it is an important concept in electrical engineering and is crucial for ensuring the efficient operation of an electrical system. And the power factor is also denoted as the cosine of angle between the current and the voltage in the system. And if we talk about the mathematical definition of the power factor, then it is the ratio of the real power to the apparent power in an electrical system. So there are mainly three types of power factors seen. The first one, that is the lagging power factor, which means that the current is lagging behind the voltage. Here you can see in the image also. And the second one, that is the leading power factor, which means that the current is leading the voltage. You can see in the image also. The third one is the unity power factor. It means all the power is being used by the system very effectively. So this is all about the basic concept regarding the power factor. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.